Hi dear students, welcome back to Guru Baswa classes of grade 10. Okay, we were discussing about the chapter number 8, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, in this class we will start with exercise 8.1. First main, in triangle ABC, right angled at B. AB is equals to 24 centimeter, BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Determine first one sin A cos A, second one sin C cos C. Okay dear students, before going to solve first one, I will give you one technique how to keep all that 6 trigonometric ratios in mind. Okay, you may get confusion while writing. For that reason I will give one technique. You have to go through that, you have to fix in your mind. Understood? If you do like that, 100% your solution will be accurate. Understood? Yes. See here, O H now A H O H. See dear students, I wrote O A O H H A. Okay. See here, what it represents? It represents, OH represents trigonometric ratio, that is sin A or sin theta. Okay, is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Understood? Next, cos theta is equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Next, tan theta is equals to opposite side divided by adjacent. Understood? Yes. Here cosec theta. Okay, cosec theta reciprocal of what? Sin theta. Okay, see here, cosec theta is equals to h divided by O. Reverse, cosec theta is equals to h divided by O, that is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Next, sec theta, it is the reciprocal of cos theta. Okay, sec theta is equals to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Next, tan theta, opposite upon adjacent. Cot theta, reciprocal of tan theta, that is A divided by O, adjacent upon opposite side. Therefore cot theta is equals to adjacent upon opposite side. If you keep in mind OAO HHA, it is very easy to solve trigonometric ratio based on trigonometric ratio problems. Okay, see here. Now draw a triangle. First solution, first one I am solving. Draw a right angled triangle ABC, right angle at B. Okay, with AB is equals to 24 centimeter, BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Why? Because given thing. Okay, ABC, right angle at B. Okay, see here, with given things, AB is equals to 24 centimeter and BC is equals to 7 centimeter. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, we will find the third side, that is AC. Okay, because we know AB side and BC side, but third side it is not there. They not mentioned here. What's the length of the side AC? For that reason, by applying by Pythagoras theorem, what we are having? See here, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, see here, AC square is equals to AB, that is 24 square. BC how much? 7. Therefore 7 square. AC square is equals to 24 square, 576. 7 square, that is 49. 576 plus 49, 625. But here it is with square, AC square. What we required to find? We have to find AC. Therefore, if you transpose square root to RHS part means it will become AC is equals to square root of 625. Okay, which is equals to square root of 625 how much? 25. Therefore, AC is equals to 25 centimeter. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, we got the third side length, that is 25 centimeter. Okay, see dear students, now we have to find sin A. Okay, we have to find sin A. Here angle is at the vertex A, that is angle A, then its opposite side will be always perpendicular or opposite, you can write. See here, angle A, its opposite side will be perpendicular. I will consider it as opposite side O. I will denote it as O, opposite side. Okay, its adjacent side we call it as base, or I will call it as adjacent. Understood? Yes, this will be hypotenuse. AC will be hypotenuse. Okay, see, sin A is equals to, when we consider the trigonometric ratios of angle A, okay, I'll write that when we consider trigonometric ratios of angle A, we have what we are having here, AB is equals to, or A is equals to 24 centimeter. I am explaining it, you can write direct. Okay, next opposite side, or BC is equals to how much given? 7 centimeter. Next hypotenuse, or AC is equals to how much we got? 25 centimeter. Now we have to find sin A. Sin A is equals to what we are having? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Or you can write it as, see here, BC divided by, opposite side will be BC with angle A. Okay, I am considering here angle A because sin A given, sin of angle A given. Okay, BC, opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Okay, what is the value here? BC, that is O is equals to 7, AC or hypotenuse is equals to 25. Therefore sin A is equals to, therefore sin A is equals to 7 divided by 25. Okay, like that. Find the value of cos A. See here, cos A is equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, that is A divided by H, or AB divided by AC. Okay, what's the value? Substitute 24 divided by AC 25. Therefore cos A is equals to 24 divided by 25 is the required value of cos A. Okay dear student, like this you have to find sin C, cos C.